Hello everyone. Are you feeling uncomfortable with using the hatch command? Previously, separate hatch settings dialog box used to be displayed when we type H and press enter. But now, when we give hatch command, we just see some hatching options displayed above our drawings window. So, if you are feeling difficult or just want to use it in the classic way, we can solve this. For this we have to type the command. Type the command HPDLGMODE. We can see the value displayed is 0. So let's type 1 here and press enter. Now let's give the hatch command, type H and press enter. It's done, we can see the hatch dialog box. Now we are good to go on our classic way of hatching. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not hesitate to support by sharing, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or need more clarification, drop them in the comments below, I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting!